Hello and welcome, esteemed viewers. My name is Thamizharasu, your business coach. I am thrilled to guide you through one of the most vital aspects of project management, earned value management or EVM. In our fast-paced business world, engaging project efficiently is not just a skill but an art. An art that combines analytical precision, strategic thinking, and pragmatic solutions. And at the heart of this intricate dance lies earned value management. Today, we will embark on a comprehensive journey exploring EVM. We will break down its key elements, delve into practical implementation strategies, unravel challenges, and look ahead to the future trends that are shaping this dynamic field. And don't worry, if you are new to EVM, I will be guiding you step by step, making complex concepts accessible and engaging. Together, we will unlock the potential of EVM, empowering you to take control of your projects and drive them towards success. Let's dive.
1. Introduction to Earned Value Management, EVM. Earned Value Management, EVM, has become an integral part of modern project management techniques. Originating in the field of financial management, EVM offers a structured methodology to monitor project performance. By aligning both financial and strategic elements, EVM serves as a robust tool for effective decision-making, ensuring that projects stay on budget and schedule. 2. Components of Earned Value Management. EVM operates on three primary metrics: planned value, PV, earned value, EV, and actual cost, AC. Planned value refers to the value of work that should have been completed by a particular time. Earned value measures the value of the work done. And actual cost represents the actual expenses incurred. Understanding these metrics is crucial for implementing EVM successfully, as they form the basis for advanced analysis. 3. Implementing Earned Value Management in your project. Implementing EVM requires meticulous planning and a deep understanding of your project's life cycle. By integrating EVM into the project's initial planning phase and maintaining it through execution and closure, project managers can obtain actionable insights into the project's health. This allows for effective adjustments to be made, ensuring alignment with project objectives and stakeholder expectations. 4. Earned Value Management Metrics, Performance Analysis Tools. In-depth performance metrics like the Cost Performance Index, CPI, and Schedule Performance Index, SPI, allow for an advanced level of control and understanding of a project's health. The CPI measures cost efficiency, while the SPI gauges the schedule's effectiveness. Together, these metrics serve as vital indicators of whether a project is progressing as planned and are essential for proactive management. 5. Challenges and solutions in Earned Value Management implementation. Despite its benefits, implementing EVM is not without challenges, ranging from data accuracy issues to organizational resistance. However, these challenges can be addressed through a well-crafted implementation strategy, effective communication, and specialized EVM software tools. Understanding the common pitfalls and their solutions can pave the way for successful EVM applications. 6. Case Study: Success with Earned Value Management in Larger-Scale Projects. Case studies offer invaluable insights into the practical application of EVM. These real-world examples, drawn from diverse industries like construction, IT, and healthcare, illustrate how EVM principles can be adapted to unique project requirements. Learning from these successful implementations can guide project managers in tailoring their EVM approaches. 7. Software tools for Earned Value Management. Software tools play a pivotal role in simplifying the EVM process. These applications offer an array of features that facilitate easy data input, real-time monitoring, and complex analyses. The choice of software can significantly affect the efficiency of EVM implementation and, therefore, a comprehensive review of available tools is crucial. 8. Integrating earned value management with agile methodology. Agile and EVM are often seen as disparate methodologies, however, their integration offers unique benefits. Agile's flexibility and adaptability can be enhanced with EVM's structured metrics, allowing for a project management approach that is both flexible and data-driven. This alignment has shown promising results, especially in software development and fast-paced business environments. 9. Earned value management training and certification. Training and certification in EVM are vital for project management professionals aiming to advance their careers. Various global certifications, like AACE's Earned Value Professional, EVP, and PMI's Project Management Professional, PMP, include extensive EVM training. These certifications not only validate your expertise in EVM but also open doors for career growth and opportunities. 10. The future of earned value management, emerging trends and predictions. The future of EVM is being shaped by technological advancements and evolving project management philosophies. Innovations in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud computing are expected to bring about a revolutionary change in how EVM is practiced. At the same time, the scope of EVM is expected to widen, incorporating sustainability metrics and adapting to new industries and global standards. If you feel this video helpful, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button.